Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 4242, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 4242? What's the symbolism of 4242? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 4242 mean for love? What does 4242 mean for twin flames? What does 4242 for manifestation? How does angel number 4242 affect finances? What does 4242 mean for former relationships? How does 4242 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 4242? What are the weaknesses of angel number 4242? What's the meaning of angel number 4242? Angel number 4242 signifies balance, stability, and trust in the divine process. The number 4 represents foundation, hard work, and practicality, while the number 2 stands for harmony, relationships, and intuition. Repeating in sequence, they reinforce the message that your angels are guiding you to build a solid life rooted in purpose and spiritual alignment. It often appears when you need reassurance that your efforts are not in vain. Stay committed, cooperate with others, and trust your instincts. This number encourages grounded action toward long-term goals while staying attuned to inner guidance and divine timing. What's the symbolism of angel number 4242? Symbolically, angel number 4242 blends the qualities of structure and cooperation. The number 4 symbolizes discipline, order, and building strong foundations, while the number 2 symbolizes partnerships, sensitivity, and faith. Together, this sequence suggests that your spiritual and physical worlds must align through cooperation and stability. It's a reminder that success often comes from working with others and remaining balanced. Symbolically, it urges a grounded approach to dreams. Build with patience, act with intention, and lean on trusted connections. It's also a sign of angelic support in your life, encouraging you to trust the unseen hands guiding your path. What is the angel number 4242 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 4242 is a sign of divine order and sacred partnership. It indicates that spiritual growth now depends on balancing inner peace with outer discipline. The 4s represent divine grounding and the building of a spiritual foundation, while you're being called to align your physical actions with spiritual truth. Prayer, meditation, and mindful planning are key right now. This number reassures you that your angels are helping you develop patience and purpose as you move through a period of spiritual integration and practical realignment. What does the angel number 4242 mean for love? In love, 4242 emphasizes emotional balance, communication, and mutual effort. It suggests that successful relationships require a combination of structure, 4, and emotional cooperation, 2. If you're in a relationship, this number calls you to create harmony through honest conversations and dependable actions. If single, it hints that love may come through stable, trustworthy individuals rather than fleeting connections. Angel number 4242 reminds you to remain emotionally available but grounded, nurturing partnerships that offer both emotional depth and reliability. Love should feel safe, supportive, and steadily grow through mutual respect, shared goals, and spiritual connection. What does angel number 4242 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 4242 indicates a need for balance, divine timing, and emotional grounding within the connection. The number suggests that while the bond is strong, it requires effort, patience, and trust to flourish. You may be experiencing a phase where one or both twins are focused on building stability or healing individually before union can manifest. 4242 is a sign that your angels are supporting the journey, but alignment must happen through both spiritual growth and practical steps. It encourages you to honor the connection while remaining patient and dedicated to your personal development. What does angel number 4242 for manifestation? Angel number 4242 supports manifestation through steady effort, strategic planning, and trust in divine timing. The presence of 4 emphasizes the importance of setting realistic goals and working diligently toward them, while 2 adds an element of cooperation and intuitive flow. This number reminds you that manifesting your desires isn't just about intention, it also involves persistence and aligned action. Your angels are encouraging you to stay committed, collaborate where necessary, and trust the process. Success may not be immediate, but your foundation is being laid. Maintain faith and balance, and your vision will eventually materialize. How does angel number 4242 affect finances? Financially, angel number 4242 suggests steady progress, budgeting, and financial partnership. It urges you to create a secure financial foundation by being disciplined, planning ahead, and making informed decisions. The 4s reflect practicality and long-term security, while the 2s indicate that cooperation, either with a financial advisor, partner, or family, is key. It's also a reminder not to chase quick wealth but to build stability through ethical means. Financial balance is within reach if you remain patient and responsible. Your angels are guiding you to maintain confidence and trust that your efforts will yield abundance over time. What does angel number 4242 mean for former relationships? Angel number 4242 signifies closure, understanding, and emotional growth in relation to former relationship. It encourages you to reflect on the lessons learned and use them as building blocks for future connections. The 4s offer strength and structure, helping you rebuild after emotional pain, while the 2s promote healing through forgiveness and inner peace. This number doesn't necessarily suggest reconciliation, but rather emotional maturity and clarity. It's a sign to move forward with grace, carrying the wisdom you've gained without emotional baggage. Your angels are helping you make peace with the past so your heart can fully open again. How does angel number 4242 guide your work life? In your career, angel number 4242 encourages consistency, planning, and strategic partnership. It's a strong indicator that your angels are guiding you to build a long-lasting and fulfilling professional life. The number 4 signifies structure, discipline, and perseverance, while 2 emphasizes teamwork, diplomacy, and intuitive decision-making. Together, they urge you to take calculated steps toward your goals and to collaborate with others who share your vision. It may also suggest that a leadership role or a more structured routine will benefit you now. Trust your instincts, stay organized, and seek balance between ambition and cooperation. What are the strengths of angel number 4242? The strengths of angel number 4242 lie in its energy of discipline, stability, intuition, and collaboration. Individuals influenced by this number tend to be reliable, goal-oriented, and spiritually grounded. They have a strong work ethic, thanks to the 4s, and value harmony in their relationships due to the 2s. These qualities allow them to build a well-rounded, secure life while also being emotionally sensitive and cooperative. Their strength lies in blending logic with faith, making them excellent planners, partners, and leaders. They thrive when given a clear path and are committed to long-term growth and spiritual balance. What are the weaknesses of angel number 4242? While 4242 brings balance and focus, it can also lead to rigidity or emotional suppression. The strong presence of 4 can make someone overly cautious, resistant to change, or focused solely on work, while the 2s may create emotional dependency or avoidance of conflict. This combination can result in internal imbalance if harmony is sought at the expense of truth. Individuals may also feel overwhelmed by the pressure to maintain control or meet others' expectations. It's important to remain flexible, openly communicate emotions, and avoid becoming overly controlling or self-sacrificing in the name of keeping the peace.